What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, your home for the latest tech, gadgets, and coolest toys collectible. Today we're diving straight into a new gear by the company Godox. Meet the new Godox Litemons LP600R. Designed for content creators, videographers, photographers, and live streamers who want to pro-level lighting without breaking the bank. But how does it actually perform in real studio environment? So in today's video, we're going to take a look at 4 different lighting tests I ran and find out. Hey guys, can you do me a quick favor? If you are enjoying this video so far, can you hit that like button? And also, if you like the content I'm producing, make sure to subscribe. It really means a lot to me. By the way, if you're interested in checking out this light, I will leave the links in the description below. Using those links comes at no additional cost to you, but it helps me out a little bit here with the channel, so I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for supporting what I do here. Right, so before moving on, let's talk form factor. The LP600R is incredibly compact. It measures just 10 by 8 by 2.7 inches and is super lightweight at just 2.2 pounds. Now, because of that tiny footprint, it can easily fit into almost any lighting setup, which is a massive plus if you're working in a smaller studio like my studio. The build quality of this light feels solid, and the included barn door is perfect for precisely shaping light or flagging it away from your camera lens. So one of the features that I'm looking forward to testing today is going to be the built-in diffuser panel, which Godox call the soft brilliance. Standard LED panels usually give you a harsh piercing shadow, so I wanted to see how far we could push this light by testing it in 4 completely different ways. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the first test. Here we go. So for my first test, you're looking at the LP600 being used straight out of the box with the barn doors completely open. No extra modifiers, no hacks, just the bare panel. Honestly, it's not bad for a quick shoot. If you're running a fast live streaming or just need a minimal setup, it's totally usable right out of the box. Now for my second test, I wanted to try a quick do-it-yourself studio hack. I took some standard white gift tissue paper and I attached it directly to the barn doors. Because of the gift tissue paper acts as a secondary layer of diffusion, it instantly softens the shadows and it gives it a more pleasing texture on the screen without costing any more money. Plus the barn doors made it super easy to attach it. Now for my third test, I took the white gift tissue paper off and brought in the modifier, a standard 5-in-1 reflector panel using just a diffuser layer. By shooting through much larger diffusion surface, the light wraps around the face beautifully and the shadows under my face soften up, giving it a more natural look. Very nice. And for my last test, I decided to combine both works. So here I'm using the white gift tissue paper hack again on the barn doors, plus the 5-in-1 diffuser panel. So by double diffusing the light and expanding the surface area, most of the hard shadows completely faded. It's really awesome to see how a simple do-it-yourself hack can massively improve this beautiful light this Godox panels already produces. Alright, so let's talk about the power. This is a 60-watt light, but don't let that small size fool you. This light pumps out an impressive 2,430 lux at over 3 feet away at 5600 Kelvin. But let's say you bring it closer for a product micro or product photography, say about 1.5 foot, it cranks about 9,270 lux. Now, according to Godox, this light produces an accurate color with a 96 CRI and a TLCI rating. They even included a green to magenta shift option, which is a huge pro-level color correction to keep your footage looking pristine. So I like that, very nice. The standard color temperature range is massive, going from a super 1800 Kelvin all the way up to a 10,100 Kelvin. But you aren't just limited to white light. You can easily switch between different built-in color modes. You have HSI and RGB modes, which let you dial literally any color of the rainbow with total accuracy. There's the gel mode, which simulates traditional plastic lighting gels electronically, perfect if you want to match specific cinematic look styles. And finally, you get the effects mode loaded with 14 built-in creative lighting effects to bring your scenes to life, such as lighting, TV glare, candlelight, fireworks, etc. So you don't just have a light that's stuck in one color temperature. This is a full biocolor and RGB panel that allows you to transition perfectly from warm to cool color temperatures while giving you all the room in the world to be creative. So if you want to build a sci-fi look, a dramatic atmosphere, or even a moody romance aesthetic for your videos or photography or whatever the content you're going to be working on, this light makes it completely possible. There's absolutely no need to go out and buy extra accessories or plastic color gels because they're already built in, which is nice. So basically this light handles it all natively, unless of course you want to add a little extra diffusion to soften it up. Now let's talk about control. If you are a solo creator like I am and you don't want to keep jumping up to change your settings on your light panel, the LP600R connects seamlessly to the Godox Light App. So one thing I like is that I have basically all my Godox brand lights connected to this one app and I can control them at the same time. If you value a fast workflow, you are going to absolutely love this wireless capability on this light. Alright, so what are my actual thoughts after using the LP600R across several of my own video productions? In my workflow, I found myself using it mostly as a fill-in light. I also love that it has the dual NPF battery option. If I need to lower footprint or the stand, move it around quickly without the cables, I can just pop the batteries and go completely mobile. Or if I need to go outdoor, it's really nice to have those options. And I appreciate that they included barn doors. This gives me a lot of control with the lighting, which I really appreciate. And for me, the ability to control all my Godox lights simultaneously right throughout one single ad, that is a game changer, especially if you are a solo creator or running a small crew where you need to move fast. Alright, so before we wrap it up, if you're thinking about picking out one of these up for yourself, let's talk about what's actually included in the box. So Godox actually ships this in a really nice durable carrying case, which is a huge plus if you travel for shoots. Inside, you'll get the LP600R panel itself with the built-in mounting joke. You also get a detachable 4-leaf barn door right out of the box, along with your standard AC power adapter and power cord. So it's a complete ready-to-shoot package right out of the gate. The only thing you're gonna need is a light stand and you are good to go. So I'm curious to hear from you guys. Which of the 4 tests look best to you and what creative modes would you use the most? Let me know in the comments below. So once again, if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Michael Studio for more tech and toy reviews. I'll catch with you guys on the next video. Take care guys, bye.